Hello friends, myself Professor Kamlesh Jadhav, Assistant Professor of Agricultural Extension. Today I am going to discuss the topic types of feedback of the course number extension 231, whose title is Communication Skills and Personality Development. So we will discuss the types of feedback. There are 7 types of feedback. First one is positive feedback, second one is negative feedback, third one is motivational feedback, fourth one is developmental feedback, fifth one is constructive feedback, sixth one is intrinsic feedback, and last one is extrinsic feedback. So we will discuss one by one. First one is positive feedback. Positive feedback is the kind of feedback which is more or less acceptable or satisfactory to the communicator. Positive feedback indicates that the receiver of the message has responded in the way intended by the communicator. Positive feedback indicates that everything is on the right track and no corrective measures regarding the communication are necessary. Then second one is negative feedback. Negative feedback means if the receiver does not understand what the sender wants to convey, the feedback must be poor and further communication become necessary to wipe out the misunderstanding. Thus, the negative feedback suggests that the communication has been not effective and some corrections, adjustment are required in the communication process. And third one is motivational feedback. Motivational feedback is used to reward and support the positive behavior of the employees. For example, if an employee performs good and to motivate him, you appreciate his work, this is motivational feedback. Then fourth one is developmental feedback. Development feedback is given when a particular area of performance needs to be improved. For example, a superior should highlight the areas of his subordinates which needs improvement. This is called as developmental feedback. The next one is constructive feedback. Constructive feedback is given to encourage the development of the individual towards which he is directed. The next one is intrinsic feedback. Intrinsic feedback is the feedback from one's own self. For example, a person engaged in thinking and pondering over ideas, evaluating and assessing their outcomes, it can be called as intrinsic feedback. Then last type is extrinsic feedback. Extrinsic feedback is a feedback which is received from the other persons. For example, the response or feedback given by the audience to the message of the communicator is called as extrinsic feedback. So this is all about the types of feedback. Thank you.